Welcome to the Iotics installation tutorial. Simple steps, quick setup. Note that Iotics is not a standalone application. You must have the Home Assistant operating system installed and running on a server so that Iotics can run on it. Download the Iotics app from the App Store, Google Play, or Huawei App Gallery on your phone or tablet. Then open it and make sure you're on the same network as the server. Now proceed to install the Iotics add-on on your server. Fill in the required info to begin installation. Allow a few moments for the installation to complete. When done, click Continue to proceed. Now choose a location name and passcode, then proceed. Now choose the admin's account name, profile avatar, and passcode. The email is optional in case the admin forgets the passcode. Finally, select the devices from the import page and continue to start using the app.